Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I again welcome you in this video lecture. This is your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss the other topics of your unit 3rd. So let me introduce you to the topic. The topic is a visit to the school for the blind. This chapter tells us about the blind people, how in spite of being blind, they worked hard. This chapter tells us about the blind people's efforts, their achievements in every field. So let's talk about the chapter. This is a story of a teacher who took some of the students to the school for the blind. He took them there so that they could get information about the blind people. A group of students went to the blind school, and there they saw that some blind children, they were playing the harmonium, tabla, star, sarangi, dilruba and flute. The students were very pleased, and they came to know that these blind people, they were not idle, but they could earn money by playing music in a public park and even at a party. In fact, they saw that some of the blind people, they had learned cane work, weaving, tailoring. Okay kids, tell me, what did they do with things they prepare? Yes, they sold them in the market. The teacher then noticed one more thing. That is, they saw that some of the blind children, they had book in their hands. Okay, what they were supposed to do with the books? Because it is not possible that a blind can read. But they did it. And they did it with the help of a braille. Now what is braille? Braille is a form of written language for the blind people, in which letters are represented by patterns of raised dots that are felt with the fingertips. That means the blind people, they can read the letters by putting their fingers on a raised dot. So at the end, I would like to conclude this topic with this thought that blindness is a very unfortunate thing. But today, the blind can be taught to help themselves. That is, we people can help them by employing them and buying the things they make. So, dear kids, I hope that you have understood it. If you are having any kind of query or any kind of problem, please drop a message at our school website, that is www.kashmirharvard.org. Allah Hafiz.